Hey there, quick video on how you can factory reset your Delonghi a la Specialista. So this is like really simple. There are two ways how you can do it. So the first way how you can do it is that you're just gonna completely plug it out for like 2 to 3 minutes, and this is the first thing. Plug it out, and then you want to plug it back in. First way. The second way, you're gonna press X2 plus my for like few seconds. Then you're gonna just press and hold after few seconds my button, and then you're gonna press and hold the power button to like approve the reset, and that's how it's gonna do it the second way. So these are the two ways what you can do to reset it. So I hope it helped you at least a little bit to fix it for you. So first you're gonna press and hold the X2, then you're gonna press and hold the MI together and hold it, and then you're gonna do it just press and hold the MI, and then press and hold the power button.